sprain their ankle each day? On today's No Need to Worry, I'll explain how ankle sprains occur and what you can do to treat them.
Here's what you can do.
Whether you took a tumble in your high heels or suffered a sports injury, ankle sprains can happen to any of us. An ankle sprain is an injury to one of the ligaments in your ankle. Those ligaments are flexible, tough bands of tissue. They hold your bones together, but all it takes is a sudden twist for them to stretch too far or to snap entirely. Of course, if you do end up getting a sprain, they can be painful. So here's a little acronym that can help you treat it. RICE. Rest. Take a break from any activity that may be causing your pain and soreness. Ice the area. It will reduce pain and swelling. Compression. Also wrapping the area with an ACE bandage can help decrease swelling. Apply a cold pack for no more than 10 to 20 minutes, 3 or more times a day. And don't forget to elevate the injured area on some pillows anytime you're sitting or lying down. As always, make sure to consult your doctor with any questions or concerns about your health.
No Need to Worry. Brought to you by the makers of New Bear Advanced Aspirin.